By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to trade Forex in 2026, what mistakes to avoid, and how to trade real money. Let's go. So if you don't know by now, you don't need a lot of money to trade Forex in 2026. Actually, trading can begin with only a few $100s. So if you have $200, $300 in your bank account, you can start trading in 2026. But before you even think about trading live money, you have to focus on that one currency and that one pair and perfect that. Focus and perfect that one pair. For me, I started out with AJ. I was terrible at that. I had to shift my mindset and think, what am I going to trade? What am I most comfortable with? And that's when I found gold. So you just have to find that one pair that you really like. And if you didn't already, I suggest getting a mentor to help you trade, understand what you're doing. If you don't even want a mentor, you can look at YouTube videos. You can find videos online. There's a lot of stuff that's free and available to you. That's just the one thing first. Before we even get into this, please know what you're doing before you jump on a prop firm, before you live trade your own money, because that's just money going down the window. All right, another thing too, once you know what pair you want, what bet suits you, now we can start trading real money in the market. I recommend doing a demo first. Basically, all the objectives and that proper firm account that you're going to potentially try to get, all the objectives is in the demo account. I do recommend you trying to pass one or two demo accounts before moving on to a prop firm account and trying to trade real money. If you just want to rush into the prop firm account, not do the demos, or if you're doing the demo account, it's taking too long and you just give up and want to move to the prop firm, you already lost. Market is all about patience, and if you don't have patience in the market, you're not going to get very far. Yes, you can still win trades, but not how you want to. That was me, and I know there's a lot of other people too. You just think that it's going to take way too much time. The money you're making on the demo account could have been the money you're making for the prop and getting the real account. If you're thinking like that, you have to shift your perspective. You have to change your mindset. You're clearly showing yourself that you don't have the patience you need to trade real money. So if you don't want to go through with that demo account, if you're stopping mid through, you already lost. Okay, boom. Now you made it through the demo account, you passed one or two challenges, you feel confident that you can do all the objectives in the prop firm account. Now we can move on to the prop firm account. So you're probably wondering, how much is a prop firm account? And to be honest, is not that much money at all. There's some huge companies that start at $100 for a 10K prop firm account. So you're basically trading with a 10K account just for $100. There is now a one-step and a two-step prop firm account. That means if you beat your first challenge, just the first time, you can just move on to a funded account and start making real money. Prop firm accounts range from $100 to $600, $1,000, depending on the account size. You can get $100,000 to trade with just for 600. That's not bad, in my opinion at least, and that's why prop firms are basically blowing up in 2026. And with the prop firm, they give you more money to trade with, potentially meaning more money in your bank account. However, there is objectives that you have to abide by every day. If you guys did not check out my last video, I had a funded account and I blew it by not abiding to my objective. I literally lost my account by $68. I had a 25K account. You know how trades go down and you're in drawdown. So you can only be in drawdown $1,200. And I was down by 1,268. And I lost my account. I'm back in square one, starting from the beginning. You do have to make sure that you're abiding by the objectives, or you can lose your account and you have to restart over. And you can even start with your own money in 2026. If you don't feel comfortable doing a prop firm account, giving your money away for a bigger account size, you can put in $200, have your own account, and trade with that. Obviously, $200, you're not going to be getting the reward with the 100K account, with the 25K account, but you're still going to be getting some rewards, and it's going to help you with your psychology, especially if you're a new trader. You don't want to be risking too much money. So if you only put $200 in your account, you can potentially, if your risk to reward ratio is there, with the $5 you're risking, you can get $20, $30 is your reward, and you're slowly building your account. You're slowly understanding your pair even more, and then eventually you can get a prop firm account and trade with even more money if you wanted to. So the truth is, you can start live trading right now. You don't need that much money to start trading in 2026, but how you do it is totally up to you. Make sure, guys, that you know what you're doing before you go on and trade real money. Also, don't beat yourself up. This is a journey. This is a trading journey, okay? I am documenting my trading journey. This is a journey. That means this is a long road. This is not going to be a 3-month thing. Trading is not a 3-month and I know exactly what to do industry. It's something that you can potentially get freedom from, but take your time. If you fail the first time, girl, don't cry. It's okay. I got your back. I got your back. How I needed someone to have my back when I lost my first challenge. I gave up. I didn't give up, but I took a break for a good 2 years. I started trading 2021. 6 months, I literally completely took a break. I got back on. Focus on one pair. One pair. Don't look at any other pair. Focus on one pair. Perfect that one pair. I recommend gold. It gives you the most money. Not even that. I just like the way it gives you structure and everything. Recently now, if you guys are, it's February 18th, 2026. If you guys trade gold, you know how crazy it is right now. But yeah, don't beat yourself up if you lose and lose and lose. This is a journey. Just make sure when you lose, take something in. Why did I lose? Try not to make those same mistakes. Take knowledge, have a lot of knowledge. There's something you can learn from the market every single day. So don't beat yourself up after it. Say this is a learning experience, which it is, and I'm one step closer to getting my funded account. I hope this video did help you out a little bit. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to be doing more TikTok videos, so make sure you follow me on my social medias. Mostly for the girlies out there, we're going to be trading Queens 2026. We are going to dominate this market. We're going to know exactly what we're doing. We're going to be getting some money, and then we're going to be going on trips. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on Saturday with my vlog. Bye!